Hello everybody, welcome back to my 1 minute cloud computing learning session. In this session, I'll be talking about a cloud storage services created for Indians by Indians. There is a company called ApnaCloud which has built a cloud storage system exclusively for Indians, and they have built their data centers only in India. So by doing that, what they are planning to do is to store the data of Indian users in India alone. So these are certain advantages for Indians because that would make their cloud storage contents to be exclusively under their control and not subject to the terms and conditions of the companies when you are using a service from a multinational company like Google and other service providers. Although the cloud computing technology is global in nature, it can serve any customer from anywhere in the world. These companies actually use what is known as data centers to store data and serve customers. However, the companies have an obligation to the country of their origin in terms of political and business requirements. For instance, anybody who is using a Google Doc is obliged to give his data access to a government request, and this would mean that your privacy is hurt. Now in that case, actually the only way out is to use your data, use your store your data in a cloud which is created exclusively for you. That is what the Apna cloud is doing. Welcome back to my 1 minute cloud computing learning. In this slide, I'll be explaining why do we need a service such as ApnaCloud. ApnaCloud is an Indian cloud storage with Indian owners, and they operate under the Indian privacy laws. ApnaCloud store all your files in India only. As a result, ApnaCloud users are protected against US and Europe legislation, which is arguably infringe the freedom and liberties of both US and non-US regions. That makes ApnaCloud a great for people who want an alternative to US and other foreign-based cloud storages. The features of ApnaCloud include India's first truly Indian cloud storage service for the Indian, by the Indian, of the Indian. Lots of storage spaces at incredibly low and affordable cost, blazing fast uploading and downloading speed. ApnaCloud app for Android is also available at Google Play Store. Access and store file from anywhere in the world, 100% encryption and security of your data. Fully automated backup of files, documents, contacts, photos, and other data. Windows and Apple devices sync client will also be available shortly. So this would meet almost all the requirement of a general user who uses a cloud storage for his personal and professional requirements. And this Apna Cloud has certain features in terms of security. Apna Cloud stores all your data in India and its own highly secure data centers, not a third party data centers located in foreign countries. The speed, as all these cloud service providers have their data centers around the world, mostly in US, the file transfer speed is very slow as the data has to travel thousands of kilometers from India to US and vice versa. If the data center is located centrally in India, Indians will get a good speed while uploading and downloading their data, and that is exactly what Apna Cloud would like to achieve. We all know that India is a superpower and we built supercomputers. Our IT companies are among the best in the world. However, we are missing in terms of having a data center or a company which has built a data center exclusively for Indians. And that is exactly what Apna Cloud is doing. Some of the guarantees which come with Apna Cloud include with data located only in India, Apna Cloud assuring a guarantee for privacy of your data. Apna Cloud store data in India and only in India. They adopt zero knowledge policy. That means whatever you store on your server, only you can see it and view it. If you forget your password, and there is no way to recover the data as we don't have access to your data. They operate under Indian jurisdiction. They do not monitor what you store on your Apna Cloud. They do not hand over user data to authorities unless and until a warrant is issued by the Indian court of law or from an appropriate police authority is presented. They neither exchange nor store or process user data at third party services like Amazon, Google, and will never share it with other advertisement agencies or companies. Apna Cloud employees cannot open, access, and read your data. They delete all your user data when you terminate your account. So, in the days of networks and the days of cloud computing, our data is actually spread across different locations because we use couple of services from different companies like Amazon storage or Google storage and other things. Now if you are very concerned about the content and their privacy, and Apna Cloud is the best solution for an Indian user.